Want to download other people's YouTube videos to watch offline? Here's the official and legal way to do it step by step. Before we start, you should know one thing. YouTube does not allow direct downloads of other people's videos unless you use YouTube Premium. Method 1 is download videos using YouTube Premium. This method works on iPhone, Android, and tablet. Open the YouTube app. Find the video you want to download. Tap the download button below the video. Choose the video quality. Wait for the download to finish. That's it. The video is now saved for offline viewing. To find downloaded videos, tap on Library. Go to Downloads. All saved videos will appear here. You can watch them anytime without internet access. Downloaded videos stay inside the YouTube app. You cannot share or export them. If YouTube Premium expires, downloads will be removed. That's the only legal way to download other people's YouTube videos in 2026. For more YouTube tips, like the video and subscribe.